Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is disparity. It is pronounced dis-pa-i-t and is spelt D-I-S-P-A-R-I-T-Y. Think dis and then party, but with an I before the T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. And remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Disparity is a noun that means great difference between things. It is often used to describe inequality or inconsistency in areas such as wealth, opportunities, or treatment. For example, you could say there is a growing disparity between the rich and the poor, or the disparity in educational resources between schools is a serious concern. The word disparity comes from the Latin word disparitas, which means inequality or difference. In the classic story Cinderella, there is a stark disparity between Cinderella's life of servitude and the privileged lives of her stepsisters. Cinderella is treated unfairly and denied the opportunities and luxuries that her stepsisters enjoy. Synonyms for disparity include inequality, difference, gap, and imbalance. Antonyms for disparity include equality, similarity, or parity. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, disparity. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.